In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change availability on Airbnb. To get started, open the Airbnb app or go to the Airbnb website, then sign into your host account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account if you manage more than one property, because all of your availability changes will apply only to the listing you select. Once you're signed in, head to your listing section and choose the property you want to update. This is an important step, especially if you host multiple spaces, since each listing has its own calendar and booking settings. After selecting the listing, tap or click on Calendar. This is where you control when guests can and cannot book your space. The calendar view gives you a clear look at your current availability, so you can quickly spot open dates, block dates, and any periods that may need adjusting. Next, select the dates you want to change. You can choose a single day or a range of dates depending on what you need. For example, if you're opening up a weekend for bookings or blocking off time for maintenance, cleaning, or personal use, this is where you make that update. Once the dates are selected, choose available if you want guests to be able to book those dates, or choose blocked if you want to prevent bookings during that time. Be careful when making this selection, since it directly affects whether travelers can reserve your property. If needed, you can also adjust your minimum or maximum stay requirements for those selected dates. This can be helpful if you want more control during busy seasons, holidays, or shorter gaps between reservations. For instance, you might require a longer stay during high-demand dates or allow shorter stays to fill in open calendar gaps. Before saving anything, take a moment to review your availability settings carefully. Double-check the dates you selected and confirm that they're marked exactly the way you intended. This quick review can help you avoid booking issues later. When everything looks right, tap or click Save to apply your changes. Airbnb will update the listing calendar with your new availability settings. Finally, check your calendar one more time to confirm that the updated availability is showing correctly. This final check is a good habit because it helps ensure guests see the right booking options and that your hosting schedule stays accurate and organized. And that's how to change availability on Airbnb.